There's a lot of new data and info that suggests that Dogecoin is on the verge of mass adoption. In this video, I'll talk about this new data, some important facts, and some other news about the entire crypto market. Hello guys, and welcome back to Crypto Fire, where we talk about Dogecoin, cryptocurrency, and investing. So before coming to Dogecoin, let's see the market outlook for Bitcoin. So after the recent breakdown, buyers have continued to sustain recent rallies above the $63,000 as Bitcoin is targeting $68,000 high. As of now, Bitcoin has rebounded above the current support as the price reached the high of $65,000. And it appears that buyers' main target is to push Bitcoin to retest the $68,000 resistance. Additionally, the current uptrend is made possible as Bitcoin trades above the moving averages, and a break above the $68,000 resistance will signal the resumption of an upside momentum. And according to popular on-chain expert Will Clemente, several measures imply that Bitcoin is now starting the bull market's major phase. Clemente recently stated that long-term holders acquire Bitcoin during periods of weakness and sell during periods of strength. And for the first time in 6 months, long-term holders have begun to sell more than they acquire. Seeing this, Clemente anticipates a surge in Bitcoin's price in the coming days. Additionally, Clemente said that Bitcoin's average transaction fees look to be on the rise, similar to prior bullish price rises. By examining the balance of Bitcoin on exchanges, Clemente demonstrated that investors continue to withdraw Bitcoin at a rapid pace, and this is another indication that Bitcoin is eyeing a bull run. Meanwhile, Scaramucci of SkyBridge Capital believes that Bitcoin will someday supplant gold. He expressed his thoughts in a recent interview, stating that just like with most other aspects of society, massive advancements in technical properties tend to obliterate things. Scaramucci used the example of how Netflix and live streaming have displaced DVD. In comparison to the current state of Bitcoin and gold, he stated that the Satoshi Nakamoto white paper ushered in a new age. According to him, the technical properties of Bitcoin are infinitely superior to those of gold. So do you think that Bitcoin is going to surpass gold? Let me know in the comment section below. Now coming to Dogecoin and the most important part of this video, it appears that Dogecoin is on the verge of achieving long-term sustainability and mass adoption as major businesses move to accept it as payment. According to USA News Group Vancouver, investors have invested a record $8.9 billion in crypto so far in 2021. And among the coins that have gained popularity over the last year, Dogecoin has many in the market interest in its usage as a payment method. According to the report, Elon Musk is now testing Doge for payment purposes under the codename Shiba. Meanwhile, it appears that AMC Entertainment Holdings has been rather forthright in expressing its desire to embrace Doge in its theaters. The report indicates that these movements will create a massive opportunity for equities such as Robinhood Markets, Coinbase Global, and the live streaming platform Hello Pal International, which provides exposure to Dogecoin mining. And talking about Dogecoin's mass adoption, experts think that Dogecoin is better geared for day-to-day transactions due to its unlimited supply and inflationary nature. And this is why we will soon witness a mass Dogecoin adoption by several retail merchants. As per a recent report, big companies like Lowe's, McDonald's, and Walmart are planning to integrate BitPay as a payment method. And once it is integrated, these firms will start accepting Dogecoin as a payment method. Similarly, the most anticipated update for Dogecoin has been released. The 1.14.5 update has been released with the goal of lowering transaction costs, increasing efficiency, and resolving security vulnerabilities on the Dogecoin network. And as a result, the number of Dogecoin 1.14.5 nodes is going up drastically, indicating the adoption of low-fee Doge upgrade is happening quickly. And with this upgrade, all the merchants that have integrated BitPay and those that are going to integrate it will now start accepting Dogecoin. And I believe this will happen really quickly since the transaction costs are now lowered, indicating Dogecoin is now better geared for day-to-day transactions. Another reason behind the upcoming mass adoption of Doge is the rising concerns over increasing inflation in the US and throughout the world. Experts agree that Dogecoin, just like Bitcoin, is a great hedge against inflation. This means that investors are now more focused on Doge and other cryptos instead of fiat currencies. Hence, people are now not only interested in investing in Doge, but major firms are now also showing interest in it since they want to avoid their business losses caused by rising inflation. All in all, I'm quite optimistic about Doge since all these things suggest that mass adoption of Doge is on its way. Now, let's come back to Bitcoin for a minute. So the Bitcoin network has successfully implemented the Taproot upgrade following a 90% lock-in consensus from miners and mining pools. The achievement marks the first significant upgrade for Bitcoin since August 2017, when the Lightning Network and Segregated Witness were launched. The Taproot upgrade is important since it aims to enhance the Bitcoin network's scripting capabilities and anonymity. The critical point to remember is that Taproot enables new innovations and solutions. And as a result of this upgrade, market spectators anticipate an increase in Bitcoin trading activity in the coming week. According to Lucas Conrad, Chief Product Officer at Bitpanda, bulls may still have some wiggle room to push the market higher as a result of the Taproot upgrade, and such a move would undoubtedly aid Bitcoin in reviving its rally this week. And I think that if Bitcoin surged after this upgrade, it will help other cryptos regain momentum following a period of consolidation in the broader market. Now moving on to other cryptos, XRP price saw bulls attempting a second try to break above $1.36, followed by another fail and fade. The fade was triggered by global markets rolling over on the U.S. inflation print that, in its turn, triggered heavy profit-taking on long positions in XRP price. And as investors start to doubt whether XRP price will see $1.8 anytime soon, it appears that XRP needs to offer bulls enough reason to add other positions to give the uptrend additional firepower. Additionally, as XRP price action dipped back below the red descending trend line, bears could be able to push price action further to the downside for a reversal of the uptrend towards a downtrend. However, XRP holds many supporting factors that could give bears quite a challenge before they could even start to think about a downtrend. Before reaching the green ascending trend line that has already proven its support on 2 previous occasions, bears face both the 55-day and the 200-day simple moving averages between $1 and $1.1. With that 55-day simple moving average, the monthly pivot comes in at $1.1, forming double firm support if XRP would come down to this level. On the other hand, analysts expect Cardano to recover from the drop in price as the consolidation phase in its price trend comes to an end. Historically, Cardano has posted a massive rally at the end of most consolidation phases. And seeing this, crypto analysts have evaluated Cardano's price trend and predicted that it has a massive pump ahead after 9 weeks of consolidation. Additionally, Cardano saw a pickup in buy-side volume for 2 weeks as the low of the weekly candles each time tested the green ascending trend line. That trend line has been present since mid-July and is keeping the uptrend in place for now. But bulls have a double entry with the 200-day simple moving average just below as a sort of safety net in case the trend line breaks. And analysts expect bulls to further build momentum as the relative strength index is still in their favor and is nowhere near overbought territory. So I think this offers an even larger window of opportunity for more inflows on the buy side of this trade. And when bulls can push Cardano through the double resistance above $2.5, I expect a retest of the all-time high at $3.16 in the days after that. However, these are my personal views, and this is not financial advice since I'm not a professional financial advisor. So it is better that you do proper research before investing in cryptos. And if we look at the current price trend of Doge, it is still trading sideways. However, as its price has corrected quite quickly intraday and returned to more moderate levels, the length of the candles has started to decline. And this points to consolidation as bears are getting pushed out of their attempts to run price action further to the downside. However, with the relative strength index broadly balanced, bulls should have enough reason and support to build long positions in Dogecoin's price further, as the upside offers a return to 35 cents. The only struggle bulls could face on their way up would be the 20-day simple moving average, which is, for the moment, giving resistance towards any test from below. Bulls will need to pick up buy-side volume to match and squeeze bears out of their short positions. If any tailwinds emerge, we may see a rally to pick up speed and maybe even begin a steep ascent. And again, I'd like to remind you that these are my personal views and not financial advice since I'm not a professional financial advisor. So it is better that you do proper research before investing in cryptos. And this is it for today's video. Please subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications for daily videos on Dogecoin and cryptocurrency. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments section below. Goodbye. Take care.